Just 1 year ago, creating digital products like these would have taken an entire team of designers, coders, and marketers. But today, AI tools like Claude can build them in minutes. And some of these digital products are generating over $19,000 per month in passive income with no coding skills, design experience, and without any audience. Now, I know this sounds crazy, so stick with me because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what these products are. Real proof that people are actually making money with them and how to easily create your own step-by-step using AI. And you know what's crazy? Most people still have no clue this opportunity exists. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Marvin Brooks. I've made multiple six figures selling digital products online, which allowed me to walk away from my 9-to-5 job as an electrician. So now that you know a little bit about me, let's go ahead and dive right in. But first, I'll start with some of the simplest digital products that's currently exploding online and making more money than most people with full-time jobs. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see here, here is a budget tracker, okay? A simple budget tracker created from a Google Sheet that sells for only sells for $11, but makes over $5,000 a month for just one listing. Now here's a wedding planner, okay? That's earning $3,700 a month. All right. Here's another that's making over $19,000 a month selling one single spreadsheet. Now, the reason digital products like these are selling off the shelf is because people are constantly searching for relief for a specific problem. Relief from stress, a relief from, being disorganized, relief from, feeling broke. That's why products like budget planners, wedding planners, business trackers are crushing right now. Most people rather spend 10 to 50 bucks for a ready-made solution to their problem instead of spending hours trying to figure it all out themselves. And because these are digital downloads, you keep 90% of every sale, which means no inventory, no shipping, and no customer support nightmares. So stick with me. In just a couple of minutes, I'll be showing you how to quickly and easily create and sell these digital products using Claude. Now, people have been able to start this as a part-time side hustle and grow it into a full-time business, okay? Like this shop here with only 48 spreadsheets, okay, has made over 144,000 sales. Or let's say the shop here that's opened, just 9 months ago is already making $11,000 a month with only 15 spreadsheets posted. And a lot of these shops that selling similar digital products are earning tens of thousands of dollars per month. Some even scaling 6 to 7 figures, all from selling simple spreadsheets. Now that we know which products actually sell, here's a simple 3-step game plan on how we'll use Claude AI to create these digital products to start earning passive to semi-passive income. But first, we'll do some research, okay, to find the best-selling spreadsheets people are already buying. Second, use Claude integrations with Google Sheets. This will help build it automatically, and just make a few tweaks. And then third, create listing images we can post for faster sales. Of course, as we know, I've earned multiple 6 figures selling digital products, but let's be real, okay? Before AI, it wasn't easy until now. So to make this process as easy as possible, the first thing we want to do, so we're not wasting time, trying to reinvent the wheel, is to find profitable digital products that people are already spending money on, like spreadsheets. And one of the fastest ways to do this is to hop on over to Etsy to find winning products using a browser plugin called Listing View. Now, this will help you find 2 types of listings, okay? Type 1 is evergreen products, okay, which are digital products that's been selling consistently for years, like this booking spreadsheet for small businesses. As we see, it's been live for 36 months and still making $4,700 a month, which tells me this product is still selling hot. And then type 2 is trending products, which are new in-demand products that are currently selling fast right now. Like this budget planner, posted 2 months ago, already pulling in $1,700 a month, which tells me the product demand for this type of product is currently exploding. Now, for this example, I'll start with a 50-30-20 dashboard because it has low competition with only 1,200 listings and an average revenue of $713 per month. Low competition, real demand, proven sales. Now that's the cheat code we're looking for. Now here's where Claude AI becomes your secret weapon. And to use this secret weapon, Claude needs to connect directly to your Google account with Google Workspace CLI, which can easily be done in under 20 minutes. Now all you need is Claude desktop app installed, Claude Code opened up on your computer, and my free prompt document, which you can grab in the description below. Now once you have the document, you just simply copy and paste the prompts into Claude Code. And no, you don't need to know any coding. Claude reads all the documentation automatically and tells you exactly what to install. Now, during this process, there's only two things you need to install. First, the Google Workspace plugin, which will help give Claude the ability to create and edit files directly in your Google Sheets account. Second, G-Cloud authentication. Now, this is how Claude securely connects to your Google account. Now, once these tools are installed, you'll simply authenticate your Google account and approve permissions. Now, to be honest, the setup time is short, but it could be annoying, okay? But once you're done, you'll be able to crank out digital products insanely fast. Now, to build your first digital product in Claude Code, the next thing you'll want to do is go to Etsy and take a screenshot of a budget tracker that's already selling. And what this does is give Claude a visual reference of the product you like to create. Next, open prompt number 2 from my document, okay? Paste it into Claude Code along with your screenshot and reference file. Now this tells Claude what type of spreadsheet you like to build and how to organize everything correctly. Step 3, hit enter and let Claude do its thing, okay? And just give it a few minutes. Once it's finished, you'll have a link to test it out. All right, there's the link. I'll go ahead and click on the link. Now, as you see here, Claude just built a complete budget dashboard with savings goals, spending categories, pie charts, bar graphs, and transaction logins that is now live. And what's really cool is whenever there are any changes made to the spreadsheet, it will automatically update all the charts and pie graphs. Another thing, Claude also allows you to create multiple spreadsheets all at once. So for example, while one AI agent builds a budget tracker, another one builds a financial tracker, okay? While another builds a wedding planner, all simultaneously, which is nuts because what used to take days to manually do, Claude can do it all in minutes. Now you definitely don't want to skip this last part, unless of course you hate money, because all you need now is a strong mock-up to help your product stand out and sell as fast as possible, which is pretty easy to create. You'll simply open Gemini in image mode, paste your screenshot and prompt, saying something like, place this spreadsheet on a realistic laptop screen for a professional Etsy product listing. Now this part is super important because most people buy with their eyes first. So better images equals more clicks equals more sales. Now if you like to grab all the free prompts to create your own digital products, drop the word prompt in the comments below and I'll shoot them your way.